Charms, it's your girl Michaela, and I'm back with a quick nail video. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm using the Kiss Square nails that I got from Walmart. I'm also using the Beetles nail glue, and I'm using this Beetles color in Milky White. And I'm also testing out this lamp that I ordered off of Amazon. It's the LKE nail lamp, and it has 57 dual lights, and it has four timer second buttons. It ranges from 10 all the way up to 99 seconds. And I just got this to test it out to see how I would like an actual lamp versus the one I got from Shein. So that's what we're going to be testing. We're going to be testing the lamp, and we're going to be testing this nail glue because I be on TikTok, and TikTok said that you can use nail glue to glue down fake nails. So we're going to test it and see. So I'm just showing y'all. You can carry it, do whatever you want. And the plate at the bottom actually removes itself. So I don't know. It's a nice, cute little lamp. I don't know why I'm still unboxing it, but hey, it is what it is. How have y'all been doing? I feel like I haven't seen y'all in forever. I haven't talked to y'all in forever. Like, it feels weird talking to my phone. Y'all know I hate voiceovers, but for some reason, I stay doing them. Okay, so here we go. So this is the nail glue that I ordered also off of Amazon. And y'all, I don't know. Uh, I think it's a no for me. I haven't even got to that part. See how I'm getting ahead of myself? I'm just showing y'all everything that I'm using. I also use the Beetles top coat and base coat. I'm sorry, I'm all over the place. But yeah. So here I'm using the glue finally. And like I was saying 20 seconds before, I think it's a no for me. My nails have already popped, locked, and dropped off. I literally filmed this video on Saturday, and today is Tuesday, and I don't got no nails. I don't got no nails. So either somebody on TikTok was lying, or I'm doing something wrong. I don't know. I don't know. Y'all give me nail glue suggestions in the comments below because this don't make no sense. Anyways, as you can see, I put the glue on my nail and then I hold it down under the lamp so it can cure. And it really did cure. Like, the lamp is doing its job. It's just this raggedy glue. But anyways, I held it down so that it can cure securely, which was really cap because, like I said, I don't got no nails today. What, 3 days later? So I'm just showing y'all that they're still on, allegedly. Um, so like I said, drop some glue suggestions in the comments. I cannot talk because I really need them. But anyways, y'all see how I got bold in this clip? I didn't even hold my pinky down. And I think when I took it out, it was a little loose, so I had to hold it down. But I don't know if I left that in the video. See? Yeah, go ahead and cure it again. And I think on this bottle it said that you have to cure the glue for 120 seconds at most. And I'm pretty sure I did that. So yeah, I don't know. Drop tips in the comments below too at this point. So I'm just showing y'all what it looks like all glued on. They actually look cute natural like that. Like, you don't even have to paint them for real. Okay, so I want to show y'all real quick. You can put both hands in this nail lamp if you're feeling extra and you don't want to wait by doing one hand at a time. So you could put both in there. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to say at this point. How have y'all been? Y'all, I'm still fighting for my life trying to get through school. It's a mess. Anyways, okay, so now we're putting on the base coat and we're going to cure that for, I think the base coat said you can cure it for 90 to 120. And so, okay, so let's talk about this lamp, the 99-second button, because there is a 99-second button and supposedly it's like a low heat, so it's safer for your hands. I don't really care for that button. I feel like I should have just went with the 60 button and then hit the 30 button and I would have been fine. Because when I hit the 99 button, I just felt like my nails weren't really cured. So I went in again with 30 seconds and then my nails didn't have that sticky feeling on the top. So I'm just going to ignore the 99-second button. But like I said, if you do not like UV rays or you feel like you want to protect your hands, use the 99-second button. So here I'm just showing y'all the milky white color. I'll leave the link in the description box because I don't know if y'all could see it. My camera wasn't focusing. So yeah, sorry about that. So on this bottle, it just said just to use 2 coats and to cure it for up to 60 seconds, I think, and that's what I did. I think with like gel nails, I need to continue practicing because I know you're supposed to do like super thin layers. And mine, I try to do them thin, but for some reason they just come out thick and then it settles towards my cuticles. So you could kind of see it. So I need to work on painting my nails better so that I don't get that pull towards the cuticle. I don't know if you can see what I'm talking about, but like some of them just look sloppy. But this is them after 1 coat. I'm comparing it to the nail side that I didn't have painted. So we're going in with another coat, the last coat. This is way better than the last gel nail polishes I used because I had to go with like 4 coats, but those were because they were jellies. So just quickly curing the second coat. And this is what it looks like. Now y'all can see the sloppiness I was talking about, kinda. And then lastly, we're just going in with the base coat and we're going to cure. And this is where I was talking about I noticed my nails were still kind of sticky after using it. So I had to go in with the 60 again, or the 30, one of them, I can't remember. But this is the final look, super cute. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all next week. Bye.